how to set up AutoDS for TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing and showing you guys how you will be able to use AutoDS and of course how you could use it for your TikTok Shop. I will mainly focus on the different features of AutoDS since connecting our AutoDS to TikTok Shop is actually fairly simple and very straightforward. And to fill in our video, we're going to discuss the different features and how to use them as well. So in AutoDS, when you're first creating your account, you could actually easily select a specific plan that you want to have. Over here, we could check out the different plans available for us to check out, as you can see here. So we will be able to see that we have TikTok as one of our available plans. Now, since I don't have access to my TikTok shop right now, I could still demonstrate AutoDS through our Shopify plan over here. But anyway, the process is going to be extremely similar. There is no difference between the features available in AutoDS when you're using it, whether it's for TikTok Shop, Amazon, or Facebook. The features are going to be the same. So over here, if you already have a pre-existing account, you could also easily create a new store or add a new store for your TikTok shop by simply, of course, selecting over here on the top left and then simply clicking on Add Store over here. Then you can see that TikTok shop is an unavailable option over here. So if you click on Continue, we will then redirect to the same place over here. And these are the different plans for our TikTok shop. So you have $19, $35, and $55 over here. This different plans over here will have different benefits, as you can see, such as AutoDS Academy, Smart Edit, and so on and so forth over here. Now, these is very similar, or these plans over here are going to be the same for what I have right now. So let's go right ahead and discuss how AutoDS works. So AutoDS is a dropshipping platform. It allows you to connect to the store that you prefer to connect to. In our case, I connected it to my Shopify over here. And then you are able to import any products that you see over here. There are two ways for you to be able to import products in AutoDS. The first one is through our marketplace over here, where you can see you have all kinds of products available here listed to us. You are able to check out different categories over here. So if you have a specific niche for your store, you could see all the related items over here, as you can see. And under marketplace, there are three subcategories. You have hand-picked products, which are products that are currently doing well, which are then handpicked by AutoDS themselves. And as you can see here, you can even see the statistics over here on the potential profits, the engagement score, saturation score, and so on and so forth. There's also Ad Spy over here, which is going to show you products that are currently trending in ads. So that's something you are able to see. And then you have here trending products as well. This one will allow you to see products that are trending in TikTok or other platforms out there. So if you want to keep up with the trend and if you want to sell products that are currently trending, this is where you will be able to find them. AutoDS also has a print-on-demand feature over here, where you could create and sell your designs that you have as a print-on-demand item. So simply select any product that you prefer here and click on Edit Product, and you will be able to upload that into your store and your typical dashboard over here for monitoring, orders, and products over here. So let's demonstrate how it works. So first things first, let's try one over here. Let me get a product from the bestsellers. So let's say this one. So simply click on Import Draft, and it will be added into our drafts over here. It's going to be added in the drafts because you are able to actually modify the information before you push it through your store. So you are able to modify the title, the image, the description, all kinds of things. Now, you might find it a bit limiting that you are only able to add products through our marketplace over here. But actually, you could add products from different places. So if you select Add Products over here, either you want to add a single product or multiple products. If you select this, all you need to do is to simply enter a URL over here from the supported platforms. The different platforms supported in AutoDS are the following. You have AliExpress, Walmart, and a very big list over here on places that you could find products in. And as you can see, TikTok is even available for you as a source of product. So if you visit any of this platform, so let's say Etsy, here, you search up Etsy, we could actually look for any product inside of Etsy that we prefer, and then we could easily import it into our store. So let's see. Maybe let's go with this one over here. Some custom sweaters over here. So all you need to do is to locate a product that you want to copy. In our case, we have this one. Control C. And go to your AutoDS and paste it over here. As you can see here, it will automatically identify the supplier and then where it is being shipped from. After that, simply publish the store, and then the process will begin, as you can see. It's going to begin the process. So let me try again in our marketplace over here. Let's click on view in drafts. Let's see if we were able to successfully get it from our drafts over here. So it did not appear. So let's try again with this one. As you can see, creating draft in progress. It's much faster to import products inside of AutoDS compared to outside, because what it's doing outside is actually it's splicing or getting the information on the URL. So it might take a longer time compared to getting it directly from our marketplace. So over here right now is currently creating our drafts. So give it a few minutes to finish. As you can see, you could optimize or modify our title over here, the tags, the brand, all of those things. You have description. We're able to modify all of those following information. And upon successful importation, you could actually then import, as you can see here, save and import, and it will then be uploaded to your TikTok shop. So depending on the amount of products that you're importing, it might take longer, of course, since the process is going to take a while. But nonetheless, I would like to at least demonstrate to you what it would look like or what happens after you successfully import it. But it's being a bit slow right now. So let me give it a few minutes and I'll get back to you. So there we go. As you can see, this is what it would look like after successfully importing something or adding to your drafts. So you can now do your modifications that you want to do. After that, simply click on import and it will be imported into your TikTok store, or in our case over here, we could check it out in our Shopify store. But it won't be instant, of course. As you can see, there's also another process for that. So you're going to have to wait once again. But there we go. As you can see, just successfully finished. So if we refresh this right now, we should be able to see it under our list thing over here, as you can see. So that is the process on how you will be able to import or transfer your AutoDS products into your stores, or in our case, TikTok store. So there's not much that you're going to set up in AutoDS as long as you are able to successfully log into your TikTok account in AutoDS. You're good to go with all of its different features. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.